So to connect our web page to Firebase, a bit like in Python, we must make up those connections in that. Now, one of the first things we must do before we connect to our external JavaScript page is create this connection. And I'm just going to put in a comment here. So I'm going to just move this along here. It's going to take up a lot of room here putting in this comment. So the core Firebase JavaScript software development kit code is always, or software development kit is always required and must be listed first. So what that means is, before I work with any external script page or JavaScript, before I do that, I must have the connection to Firebase already done. So the core Firebase JavaScript software development kit, which is this kit that's made up that allows you to connect to Firebase. Well, a little anyway, because there's more connections that we need to set up to our specific project. So this is the overall connection to Firebase as such. So what we do here to do this, remember that's only a comment now, is we put in our script tag, then we put in src is equal to, and we put our value in here. So the value we're going to put in, now there's a few different versions here of this, but I'm going to put in www.gstatic.com/Firebase JavaScript /7.00, and I think it actually works with many of them. 7.00/Firebase dot. Am I gone onto a new page there? Sorry, no, there I'm again. Firebase dot. Sorry, it's cleared out in me there. Whatever it's done. Thinking I want to do Firebase dot. Like, I'll just have to take that out. Firebase dot JS, and then close off that quote, and hopefully it'll allow me back in the game there. No, right, so it wasn't really Mac. Apologies for this. So just make sure we're right here. 7.0.0/Firebase.js. .js, and get rid of that last dot in there. Don't know why it was doing that. So that's what it should look like there. Firebase. Let's just go through it again. HTTPS, so Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. www.gstatic.com/Firebase.js /7.0.0/Firebase.javascript, and at the end of that, then we're going to have another tag to close off the script tag. So sorry, whatever it happened there, trying to help me out, thinking I wanted to put in something, but I didn't. And if we there now, so that's, remember, it's gone on to a new line because we haven't got much room there. It looks pretty much like that. And that now is the connection to Firebase. So see you in the next video then for how we will program the JavaScript page to, when we click the button, how it will receive the data, and how to make some connections to JavaScript.